In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a PowerPoint file to a flash drive quickly and easily. This is a super useful skill if you want to back up your presentation, move it to another computer, or share it without using email or cloud storage. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, plug your USB flash drive into your laptop. Give it a second to connect properly so your computer can detect it. Once that's done, open the PowerPoint file you want to save. You can do this from your desktop, recent files, or by opening PowerPoint and selecting the presentation manually. After your file is open, look up to the top left corner and click File. This opens the main menu where you can manage saving and exporting options. From there, click Save As. If you've already saved the file before, Save As is the best option because it lets you choose a new location without overwriting anything by accident. Next, click Browse. This will open the File Explorer window and let you choose exactly where you want to save your presentation. Now look at the left side or available drive section and find your USB flash drive. It may appear as removable disk, USB drive, or the brand name of your flash drive. Click on it to select it. Once your flash drive is selected, you can choose a folder if you want or save it directly to the main drive. Make sure the file name looks correct, then click Save. PowerPoint will now copy the presentation onto your USB drive. After that, you can open the flash drive to confirm the file is there and you're done. Your PowerPoint file is now safely saved to your flash drive and ready to use on another device. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.